So, ayun guys, nag-book ako ng Grab, tapos yung sakyan ko is Korea Katake. Ayan, si Kuya. Kuya, what is your name?
Yeah, my name is Jinchon.
Chin Chong.
Yeah.
Chin Chong?
Jinchon
Chin
Chu.
Chan Chu?
Yun.
Yeah.
Parang skincare yun.
Hmm? No, it's me. It's
Chin Chan Chu?
yeah, something like
Chin
that.
Chong Chu. Ano, what is your name here in the Philippines?
Here
Yeah.
in the up.
In Philippines.
Yeah, in up, grab up.
Yeah, no, here in the Philippines.
Here, yeah, you did booking.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
inside the up. It's hard to pronounce, but the Philippine government give me that.
Chelbert Tagalog.
That's
Cute.
yeah, that's the name
You're so cute, Kuya.
give to me here in Philippines. That's why I use.
But you
that.
look Filipino.
Yeah, because you a long time stay here. If you stay in Korea, you look like Korean because
So
the weather here is very hot.
Ah,
If you stay here long and go to the beach, yeah, and your skin will be like a Filipino,
yes.
right?
But you
You-
look Filipino, your face, you are
Yeah,
not
that's-
look.
Yeah, that's why. That's why I told you. If you stay long in the country, even in you go to Korea.
Okay, I will go to Korea soon.
Yeah, you stay
And
there.
I will visit Jungkook.
You stay there maybe 2 to 3 years.
Yes.
Your skin like Korean because of the weather. Yeah, the weather now there is very cold.
Here is very hot.
Yeah, here very
Like
hot.
me.
That's why my skin look same Filipino.
You can speak Tagalog. But
I
only
want.
continue.
Yeah, I want to learn. I want to
Ah,
learn.
you want to learn.
Yeah, teach me more.
I want to teach you how to dog each other.
Yeah, Tagalog.
Okay, I want to teach you. What?
I love you in Tagalog.
I love you, mahal kita.
Hmm?
Mahal kita.
Mahal kita. Mahal kita?
Mahal din kita.